Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in today. So, in case you couldn't tell by the title, this is a makeup video. One, I don't wear makeup. I don't even know how to put makeup on. The most I'll do is put on like some mascara and a little bit of nude lipstick for like an audition, but otherwise, I don't know how. Just a little bit of background information. I'm a huge Rihanna fan. I love Rihanna. I've been to, I think, all, if not most, of her concerts. So your girl had to support. Um, but yeah, all that extra stuff like lashes, no. Eyebrows, no. So if that's what you think this is not. So if you would like to see how my makeup turns out, then please keep watching, guys. I'm a little scared. I'm a little nervous. But I'm excited too. So, I'm going to start off, from the videos I've watched, they usually start off with the primer. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty primer. I don't know how much to put on, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is to like protect your face from the makeup. So, I guess I'm just gonna, y'all see, it don't even come out because I never used it. So, I thought it was gonna be like clear, but it actually has a little color to it. It's like a cream. So, I don't know how much to put on. So I'm just gonna start off small, and I'm just going to on my face. I mean, I know how to put on lotion, y'all. So that's how I'm gonna do this. So, yeah, I think I need a little more. I don't know. Just a little more. Just a little. Oh. I'm just gonna cover everything that I'm gonna apply makeup to. Okay. So, enough of that. Now, I'm going in for the foundation, y'all. So when I went to Sephora, they matched me with number 310. This was last year. I've been in the sun, guys, so I don't even know if this is gonna match, but we'll see. And I'm gonna use my little blender. See, y'all, it's still in the container. So remember, guys, don't be having high expectations because I don't know what I'm doing. So when I watch the videos, they always put a little bit on there, So I don't know how much. Let's go do a little bit, y'all. This is very liquidy. It's just like spreading and moving already, and I'm scared. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply this to each section, like of my face. So like a little bit right here. Y'all know that wasn't enough. Okay. A little bit right here. A little bit right here. A little bit right here. I'm gonna go right there. Okay, guys. I'm gonna start blending. I don't know how to blend, but right there. Guys, don't laugh at me. I think I'm gonna need some more. I have a horror story. Like, I went to Ulta one time, and because my mom was like, well, you need to have some makeup just to have some on, or just to have some in your closet in case, just for anything. It's just good to have it. So I went to Ulta, and I don't know, guys, like my face don't look that much different. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. So anyway, I went to Ulta, and she put foundation on me, and I look like a clown. Like, and I think that's what scared me. I'm like, never again. Never again. I am never wearing this stuff again. But y'all, like I said, because Rihanna came out with this, that's the only reason why. And I don't know. I think like I'm putting too much on. I kind of look like I came from the dead and I don't have no color. I don't know. But when I went to Sephora and they tried me, they was giving me the Rihanna makeup or putting on the foundation, I'm like, it doesn't really look like I have anything on. And they were like, well, that's the good thing about her makeup. It looks very natural. I don't know what that was they gave me at Ultra, but it was cakey, and I just looked like a old woman. Okay, guys, I don't think I can blend this in anymore. I mean, did I put enough on? Do I need more? Oh no, I don't know. Does it look different? I think right. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. But next, I'm gonna go in with the stuff that you put under your eyes. Concealer. That's it. So they gave me a couple options. One was extremely light, and I didn't like that. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be, but I don't know. So I got the color Wheat, and I got this matchstick, y'all, and I love it because like everybody, they're like they do all this. So, but yeah. So I'm gonna try out for the Wheat. Again, y'all, no high expectations because I don't know what I'm doing. But when I watch the videos, they be doing all this and they be all that. So I'm just gonna. I don't know how much. I'm just gonna. And I think they put it on their eyelids too. Okay. Let's blend. For the best I know how. Guys, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Well, y'all can tell me in the description box. It's okay. I won't be offended. Okay. I mean, from what I could tell, all you're doing is rubbing stuff into your skin. That's not too hard. But I look so powdery. I look ashy. Next, we are going to go in with the stuff contour. I think that's what it's called in Navy. I really don't know how to do this because I see people doing it like they having surgery. They have the stuff up here. They put it up here, here. They put it down here. They put it up here. I don't know. I don't know. I just know. I'm sorry, guys. The color they gave me was Mocha. I think I put too much right here. Oops. The cheekbone, right? Okay. I don't know. Should I try? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna go in. Y'all, I don't have the right brushes, so I'm gonna use this same little blending thing, and I'm gonna. God, I don't think I'm doing this right. Maybe I should go to like a class. No, I think I need to blend it in. This is like. Okay. Guys, I don't know. I don't know how I look. Do I look like a clown, like how the lady did me at Ulta? Do I need more? I'm not even gonna do that. And then I got the Sinamon for a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of highlight. So I see people put it like right here, just to give a little. And then I see some people put it like right there. So I think I'm gonna try both. So I'm gonna put a little bit right here. I don't know. And right here. don't think I blended in enough, guys. So, yeah. If you guys have any tips, any tricks, or, where I messed up at, then just comment. Okay. So, guys, this isn't from the Rihanna collection, from the Fenty Beauty collection, but I did buy like a NYX, like a little like nude palette. I like natural stuff, y'all. I don't need all that extra stuff. So I ain't no professional, remember. So I'm just gonna use, I don't know what color it is. It doesn't name them on here. This one. The most basic one on here. So I'm going to use this color. And I'm just going to... I guess I never played in my mama makeup when I was little. Maybe I'd be a pro right now if I did. I mean, they be getting in. They be like, I'm going to go in with the crease and use this color. And then I put this up here and then another color down here. And then I blend it in. It just seemed like too much work. So, guys, what I'm going to use, I actually have since I'm a Rihanna fan, y'all, when her makeup came out at MAC, like a long time ago, that retro matte Riri Woo, I have that, but I'm not going to put that one on. I'm going to put on the MAC Japanese Maple. I love this nude color. As you all can see, guys, I like my face to look very natural. Like I don't have anything on, which is probably why I don't wear makeup. But this is, I don't know if it looked right or not, but here we go. So I'm just gonna go in. Okay. And y'all, I am in love. You see this box. Now, this is the one thing that I've used. This gloss. The Rihanna, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Gloss Bomb. Oh, my gosh. I love this, y'all. I love this. I need some more. I love it. So, I'm going to put a little bit of there over. And this is the finished look, guys. I think I look a mess. I don't know. But if you guys have anything, any tutorials maybe that are good for beginners, link them down below. As I said before, if you have any suggestions, anything that I did incorrectly, which was probably the whole thing, then just let me know. But please like, comment, and subscribe if you like my video. And until next time, thank you.